Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,750. This is a dependable truck that has traveled 157,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It sports a sleek silver exterior complemented by a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. This truck is powered by a 5.7L Vortec engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck is in good running and driving condition, with decent tires that ensure roadworthiness. The interior is well preserved, with seats in surprisingly good shape. However, as common with trucks of this generation, the top of the dashboard has cracks, and the headliner is sagging in some areas. Recent maintenance includes the installation of a new fuel pump, fuel filter, injectors, thermostat, and battery, all completed within the past week. This level of care highlights its readiness for continued use. The vehicle comes with a signed Arizona title, ensuring a smooth ownership transfer. Number 2. 1973 Ford F250, price $3,300, featuring a manual transmission and a striking green exterior with a matching green interior. It is equipped with a 390 engine sourced from a 1967 Mercury Cougar, delivering robust performance and enhanced reliability. This 2WD truck is outfitted with a granny gear low, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks or off-road adventures. Recent upgrades to this Ford F250 include new tires, a new timing chain, new head gaskets, and a new master cylinder, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. The interior has been refreshed with a new seat cover, a vinyl floor kit, and a luxurious leather headliner, adding comfort and style. The rear brake shoes have also been replaced, improving its braking performance and safety. This classic truck stands out as a well-maintained and tastefully updated vehicle, ready for both work and leisure. Number 3. 1992 Ford F-150, price $8,500, with 180,800 miles, featuring a 5.8L V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a brown exterior and interior. It has been well maintained, with recent upgrades including a newer battery, heater core, oil sending unit, shift cable, front brake pads, and a 4-inch rough country lift on 33 by 12.5 tires. Updated headlights, taillights, and an upgraded radio add modern touches. Regular oil changes and tire rotations have been performed every 3,000 miles. Despite its reliability, the truck has minor issues typical for its age, including small leaks in the rear main seal and gearbox, requiring occasional power steering fluid top-ups. An alignment is recommended, though tire wear is even, and replacing the drag links would improve handling. Number 4. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado, price $2,500. This is an excellent example of a classic truck with low mileage for its age, having traveled only 154,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive, and boasts a clean and cohesive tan exterior and interior color combination that reflects timeless style. This truck runs exceptionally well, offering reliability and consistent performance. Notably, the original fuel injection system has been upgraded to an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, providing improved power and responsiveness. Powered by gasoline, the Silverado stands out as a well-maintained and thoughtfully updated classic vehicle, ready for its next chapter on the road. Number 5. 1968 Ford F250, price $4,000. This vehicle has 100,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in a striking red color, adding to its bold, timeless appeal. Powered by a 390 FA engine and running on gasoline, the truck is operational and ready to drive. Originally purchased as a project vehicle for restoration and weekend enjoyment, significant upgrades have been completed. The entire suspension has been rebuilt, including new bushings, springs, and bolts, ensuring a smoother and more reliable ride. A radio has been installed for entertainment, along with a new rear window for improved aesthetics and functionality. Additionally, the truck boasts brand new tires and wheels, enhancing both its appearance and performance. Number 6. 1974 Datsun pickup, price $8,000. This is a classic vehicle that has been updated with several key enhancements. It is equipped with a new Weber carburetor, providing improved performance and fuel efficiency. The truck features brand new wheels and tires, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. All 4 corners have received new brakes, enhancing its safety and stopping power. A fresh exhaust system, including a new header, has been installed for better engine efficiency and a more robust sound. Additionally, the bed has been treated with a newly applied bed liner paint, protecting it from wear and giving it a fresh, durable look. These upgrades combine to offer a reliable, well-maintained classic truck with modernized features. Number 7. 1978 Ford F250, price $9,600, with only 65,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and is powered by a 400 V8 engine, making it a strong and reliable vehicle. The exterior is a striking yellow, while the interior is a comfortable brown. This truck runs on gasoline and has a married transfer case, which enhances its off-road capability and overall performance. The F250 starts up easily and runs strong, thanks to a series of recent upgrades. It has a brand new clutch that ensures smooth shifting, and the transfer case has been fitted with new seals to prevent leaks and improve performance. Additionally, the truck has several other new parts, contributing to its excellent running condition. With these updates, this truck offers both durability and reliability, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking for a well-maintained, vintage pickup. Number 8. 1982 GMC 1500, price $4,500, features an automatic transmission, a gray exterior, and a black interior, running on gasoline. It is powered by a 350 crate motor with Edelbrock components, including a carburetor, intake manifold, and air cleaner. The engine also has chrome valve covers, high-performance ignition, a new alternator, battery, and a 4-core radiator. The rebuilt automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, and the truck rides on chrome GMC rally rims. It has a tow package with trailer brakes, LED running lights, and dual 20-gallon gas tanks with locking caps. The locking toolbox across the back offers added storage. Inside, there's a new dash cover, carpet, tachometer, and additional gauges. Bucket seats and a new Pioneer AM/FM CD player with Bluetooth enhanced comfort and convenience. Number 9. 1974 Ford F-150, price $10,500. It has 88,000 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission, a gold exterior, and a gold interior. It is equipped with a 360 cubic inch engine. The previous owner made significant mechanical improvements, investing nearly $14,000, and all receipts for the work are available. Notable upgrades include a new starter ignition, carb rebuild at 87,500 miles, new spark plug wires, distributor cap, all lights, running gear, shocks, springs, brakes, driveline, and a new radiator, water pump, and belts. The underside has been fully restored and rubberized to prevent rust. It still retains its original mud flaps from Delta Ford in Moscow, Idaho, purchased in 1974. The truck runs smoothly and is used for commuting. Number 10. 1977 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, with a mileage of 194,000 miles. This truck has been well maintained, with nearly all of the front end being replaced, new rear leaf springs, a Borgeson steering shaft, and a new brake booster. The oil pan gasket was recently redone, and there are no visible oil leaks, though a tiny one might be present from the rear main seal, but it's difficult to confirm after the gasket replacement. The truck's exterior has a charming, well-used patina that adds character. The 4 tires still have plenty of life left. The carburetor was recently rebuilt, revealing a vacuum leak, which has yet to be fixed. The engine, a 351M, starts well in cold weather and idles fine until the choke spring heats up, but it struggles to idle when warm. The brake lights currently don't work, although the lights themselves are functional. The turn signals and all other lights work perfectly.